Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has given us the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, a self-reliant, prosperous and empowered India at 100 years of independence. To realize this dream, one force is most crucial: science and technology, because innovation builds industries, secures resources, strengthens health and shapes nations. The Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, born in 1942, has powered India's progress. From medicines to machines, industries to innovations, it is now contributing to the nation's journey to Viksit Bharat 2047.
The time is right to redefine R&D as research for the development of the nation, that is R&D in the real sense.
These words have illuminated our pathways. Science not just in labs, but in lives. And CSIR embraces 10 powerful Viksit Bharat 2047 commitments to transform India's future. Commitment 1. Phenome India for Precision Medicine, predicting illness, protecting families. Commitment 2. Assessment and mitigation of geohazards in Northeast and Himalayas. AI-powered systems monitoring the Himalayas and the Northeast and predicting disasters. Commitment 3. Recovery of critical, noble and transition metals from e-waste. Recovering valuable metals from electronic waste, reducing imports and promoting circular economy growth. Commitment 4. Seaweed farming for commercial applications. Seaweed creating superfoods, nutraceuticals and sustainable livelihoods. Commitment 5. Gait corrections for orthopedic complications with focus on children and women. Every step stronger and healthier. Commitment 6. Dimethyl ether technology, committed to advancing indigenous DME technology as a green, ultra-clean fuel. Commitment 7. Next-gen sodium-ion battery, indigenous sodium-ion batteries forming tomorrow's green power systems. Commitment 8. Sustainable aviation fuel, flights powered by innovation, not pollution. Commitment 9. Processing and tapping of critical minerals and elements, unlocking lithium, platinum, palladium to secure future industries. And 10. Green hydrogen as fuel and feedstock, a clean ecosystem powering cities, industries and mobility. These are not just technologies, they are promises. 10 commitments, from health to hydrogen, from oceans to orbits, from minerals to mobility. Together, they will drive Bharat's journey from aspiration to achievement, from innovation to impact.
CSIR